Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be changing out these LED green bulbs that I got in here. At one point, I did have all my interior LEDs green, but since then, I put everything back to white. I've already changed out those two up there. Now, I need to do this one and this one. So what I picked up off Amazon were these 578 LED car bulbs, 4 pieces. I already put 2 up there for the map lights, and I just got these 2 right here for the oh shit handles. But it's very easy. I'm pretty sure you guys have already done this, but for new Lincoln owners that want to change it, this video's for you right here. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want a T20 torque bit. Get a T20 torque bit. Then you're gonna pop off these tabs, one right there, one underneath the door handle. And then once you take those 2 screws out, this whole door handle will just fall down. So I'm gonna get to that and I'll bring you right back. All right, everybody. So after you move the door handle, what you're gonna want to do, there's 2 screws, one right here, and then there's one up here. Those, I believe, are T15s. You can take those 2 screws off with the T15, a torque bit 15, and then once you do that, you can expose the light bulb. So I'm gonna need 2 hands, and I'll be right back. Boom, and there you have it. Got the LED in, took the old one out. By the way, these are non-polarity, so you could flip them on either side and it'll work just fine. But yeah, that's about it. And then it's just a reverse process. You put these 2 screws back on, you put the door handle back in place, you attach the 2 20 torque bits, and you're good. I gotta do that one next. But this is just a quick video for you guys that have Lincolns and you want to change out your LEDs and you don't know where to start or what to do. I'm gonna put the link in the description where you could get the 4 LED bulbs for the 2 map lights and the 2 oh shit handles. I'll put a link in the description, so if you guys want to copy or set, it's relatively inexpensive. It's about $7. And yeah, they're really, really bright at night. Those 2 suckers up there are bright. So I know these are gonna be bright back here too. But that's gonna do it, guys. I don't want to take up too much of your time. It's just my day off, and I want to get these LED bulbs installed. Get rid of those green ones. So yeah. If you guys need any more info, you know, I try to make my best to put it down. And hope you guys enjoy this content. But that's going to do it. I hope everybody has a blessed day. Happy holidays. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.